Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So as you can see, this is actually a cell phone. So as you can see, it is completely shattered, and my brother only wants to retrieve the data. He doesn't want all of the or he doesn't want the phone because as he says, the phone is completely useless because it's a very old version or older phone of Motorola, so it is not really helpful. So if you want to just simply go ahead and replace or sorry, get your data, you don't have to just simply go ahead and purchase or simply replace the entire screen, which is I think around 120 in 120 euros. So that is quite a lot in the region where I live. Anyway, the point is that you can just simply go ahead, you can just simply purchase this thing. It is called an OTG connector. Okay, once you search this across the web or visit your local repair shop or tech place, you can just simply purchase it and then use your mouse as a simply connector. So let me just show you exactly how it works. So as you can see, I'm using the mouse instead of the screen touch. Now whatever I do, the screen touch is not working, so you get the idea, right? This is how it is. But when I'm using the mouse, everything is working. So you can see that if you search on the web in OTG connector, you will find a lot of examples available. So there are examples of OTG with multiple ports of Thunderbolt, USB, and then the Type C, Type A. There are several types of those available. You have to purchase the one that you need. Okay, so now I just simply purchased this one, and then aside from that, I simply transferred all of the data to PC using the local send. That is another sharing application which is also an open source, and it works completely fine. There is no issue at all. So you get the idea, right? I hope that this video was helpful to you in case if you just simply want to transfer the files. So this is how my OTG looks like. Let me just simply go ahead and open it. I don't know if you can see it or no. Okay, let me just put it there. So I think it should be visible to you. Okay, this is my OTG connector. So as you can see that the other side is actually a USB-C, uh, not type C, only USB-C. Okay, and the other side is type C. Type C is for the phone, and the other angle is for the USB type C of the mouse. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.